Hello, I am Tuomo Tuikka from VTT. Are you planning to create a new data space? It is not necessary to start from scratch, but DSSC assets are useful means to navigate in the many aspects of data space development. The DSSC Starter Kit gives you an introduction to these assets, blueprint, and a startup checklist to help you to ask the right questions. From business, legal, operational, functional, and technical perspectives. It is important to find a viable business model to motivate the data space participants to join a data space and to find good use cases to facilitate common purpose. Data spaces need to navigate through legislative frameworks, and we provide a mapping to these frameworks. The operational aspects encompass the day-to-day activities for successful functioning. Therefore, good governance is needed. Then you need to have an idea of functionalities. That is the building blocks to facilitate effective and trustworthy data sharing among participants. And from technology, it is good to understand standards and available implementations. To knit these together, a design approach is introduced. And as a sugar in the bottom, we define interoperability and address data quality. A lot of things really, but remember, Starter Kit is not solving this. Instead, it gives leads for further study of the DSSC assets. Therefore, it's a good place to start with. Enjoy the data space journey.